In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this material by using Blender's texture nodes. I have the full nodes available in Node Editor already, so I'll zoom in and explain what nodes are needed to create this material. Nothing was changed in the main node. I have pressed Shift-A to add a color ramp node. On the color ramp node, please experiment by moving the sliders. After that, I have added a magic texture node. Same as the previous node, please experiment with the values and see the immediate change. After that, a wave texture node was added. The last two nodes were added by using an add-on called Node Wrangler. I selected the wave texture node, and pressed Ctrl+T together to add them, then I connected the UV node to the vector node. I'll show you how we can fully customize this material by changing the node settings or values. The possibilities are limitless. This material can be used in a 2D-based mesh, or a 3D-based mesh. I have arranged this mesh to have the displacement modifier with a Voronoi texture. This mesh was a plane. In edit mode, I have right-clicked and typed S to subdivide the mesh 50 times. After that, the Voronoi texture was created with the following settings. Finally, the displacement modifier was added like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.